Once a carer has completed a log, it will be available from the main menu of CHARMS in the To Be Verified bar. The number displayed here is the number of logs not yet verified. Click on the Carer Log link to view and verify these completed logs. From this screen, you can see the family ID number, family name, the person that the log pertains to, and the date of the log. To read a log, click the View Log button. From this point, you can read the log and decide if the content is sufficient. If you are happy with the content of the log, you can verify it from this screen. Click the Verify button. Enter any comments that you may have, which will be visible to the carer, then enter your CHARMS password for verification. Click the Verify button to verify and remove it from the list of logs. A confirmation message will then appear. Click OK. You will notice at the top of the screen that you can change your search results between logs that have been verified and unverified. If you need to check your previously verified logs, tick the Verified tick box. Untick the Unverified tick box, then click Filter. You can find the log that you have just verified at the bottom. Let's go back and verify the remaining logs by unticking Verified and ticking Unverified. Then click Filter. Here are the remaining logs. If the content of the logs is okay, and you do not need to leave any individual comments, it is possible to verify logs in bulk. This saves you from having to enter your password each time. To demonstrate this, we will read 3 logs and bulk verify them in one go. Open each log, then instead of verifying, click Read. This tells CHARMS that you have read the content of the log. Repeat the steps for the remaining logs. Now that each log has been marked as read, you will notice a tick in the red column to confirm this. We can now click the Verify All Read button to verify all of the logs that have been read in one go. It's important to keep in mind that any comments you leave here will be added to all of the logs you are bulk verifying. From time to time, you may need a carer to reword or clarify the content of their logs. You can return the log to the carer for them to do this. Let's ask the carer to clarify the content of this unverified log by opening it, then clicking Return. We'll add some comments about why this log has been returned to them, then enter our password and click Return to Carer. A confirmation message will then appear. Click OK. The carer will then be able to amend this log and resubmit it. If an historical log has been verified, but a carer needs to make an amendment to it, it is possible to unverify it. To do this, go back to your verified logs using the tick boxes. Then if you need to refine your search results, use the ID and date range filters to find your specific log. Click View Log, then click Unverify. Enter your reason for unverifying and your password, then click Unverify. A confirmation message will then appear. Click OK. The log will now be in the Unverified section as normal, where it can be returned. As well as using the To Be Verified bar at the top of the CHARMS main menu, it is also possible to view, verify and return logs from an individual carer or child's page. Let's navigate to a family's CHARMS record to see what that looks like. In the sidebar, you can see the link called Carer Log History. Clicking this link will show you a page with 2 sections: completed logs and incomplete logs. Logs that have been completed will be listed in the Completed Logs section, with the child's name, date of the log, score, who verified it and when. It will also show you which carer completed the log and if there are any comments, indicated by a blue speech bubble. If that family has written logs for more than one child, you can switch between them here, and you can use the date from and date to filters to find logs within a particular time frame. Clicking the green arrow next to a log will open it. Logs that have not been completed, for instance, a carer may be halfway through writing it, will be displayed in the Incomplete Logs section. If that incomplete log has been returned to the carer, it will be indicated by a green tick. It is also possible to verify and return logs from this page using the Verifying and Return buttons. Let's now look at the same screen on the child's record. We'll navigate to the child's record and click Carer Log in the sidebar. You will notice that the screen is exactly the same, but without the ability to switch between children. From the child's record, you can also access the Carer Log graph to view the child's log scores on a graph.